Ops, wait lang, huwag ka muna mag-scroll at syempre magbibigay muna ako ng ating word of the day at sagutin natin ang katanungan na to. Ang sabi dito, the following are characteristics of classical theory. Sabi niya, except. So, ibig sabihin, yung tinatanong sa atin dito is, sa baba daw is mga characteristics po ni classical theory, pero sabi niya except. So, ibig sabihin, yung hahanapin natin, yung hindi kabilang sa characteristics po ng ating classical theory. Unang-una sa lahat, class, no, tandaan natin, yung ating classical theory, it is founded by Cesar Beccaria, the father of criminology or the father of traditional criminology natin, na kung saan sinabi niya mismo sa theory na to, na which is a man is a moral creature which free will to choose between good and evil. Therefore, more stress is placed upon the criminal himself. Ulitin ko, ang sabi niya, a man is a moral creature which has a free will to choose between good and evil. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ang tao daw ay may kakayahan or may karapatang pumili sa ano man yung gustong gawin niya. Pero tandaan, kapag ang ginawa mo ay hindi naaayon sa batas, ay maaari kang managot. Kaya ang purpose ng punishment ng classical theory is retribution. It means personal vengeance. Now, dito sa baba, tandaan lang natin ang pagpipilian. Letter A, the basis of criminal liability is human free will. Letter B, the purpose of penalty is retribution. Letter C, crime is comparable to the calamity. Or letter D, man is essentially a moral creature. Sabi ko nga kanina, ito lang yung dapat nating tandaan, class, pagdating sa classical theory. Unang-una, tatandaan natin, a man is a moral creature. Ibig sabihin, pasok na dito yung tinatawag nating delta. Okay, kasi ang sinasabi natin dito is characteristics pero yung hindi kasama. So, ibig sabihin, ikis na natin yung delta kasi nga characteristic siya. Pangalawa, which a man daw merong free will, has a free will to choose between good and evil. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating alpha is ikis na din po siya kasi kasama din po siya sa characteristics ng classical theory. And syempre, yung ating the purpose of penalty is retribution, that is kasama din po yan as one of the characteristic of the classical theory po natin. Okay, and the correct answer natin dito walang iba kundi yung ating Charlie. Sabi niya dito, crime is comparable to calamity. That is referring to positivist theory. Kasi sabi po sa positivist theory, according by Cesar Lombroso, ang sabi naman doon, a crime is a natural phenomenon. It could be comparable to the calamity and disaster. Ang ibig niyang sabihin, ang krimen ay maihalin tulad natin sa kalamidad. Hindi natin alam kung kailan siya mangyayari at magaganap. So, ibig sabihin, crime is normal in society as calamity is normal in society po natin. Yan po yung positivist theory po natin. So, the correct answer is Charlie. And syempre, sana nakatulong sa ito. At ito pa din, yung God, your Mr. Word of the Day, Emmanuel de Master Schumann, Villa Easter Villacarlos sa CBRC, National Lecturer and a Registered Criminologist. Sabi sa inyo na para pumasa sa board examination, kailangan natin ang baso siya at tsamba. Baso siya, basa, sulatan, share, sabi ng tsamba, tiyaga, sipag at manalangin bawat araw. Thank you so much. God bless you all.